What's going on, guys? Thanks for stopping in and checking out this DIY. I got a new concept for you that I think you're gonna like. I'm gonna show you how to make your own superhero magnets. Stay tuned. These things are so cool and so easy to make. You guys have to try them. The materials you need will be in the description box below. But for now, grab some old comics and let's get started. And honestly, that's all it takes. Now, the magnet strip served its purpose for this video, but if you want your magnets to be stronger, I would highly recommend go and buy the metal circular magnets. Now, I'm just giving you the concept. You don't have to use comic book. Family photos, friends, celebrities, they all work. All it takes is a little imagination and you can make your own personalized magnets. If you're new to the channel and you like this DIY, go ahead and hit that free subscribe button and the notification bell so YouTube can let you know when I make my next video. If you guys want to see more awesome DIYs, hit that like button and leave a comment below. I want to hear from you. That'll do it for me, guys. I'm heading out, but I'll catch you on the next one.